Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back to Creating Hanley. My name is Kimberly here at Creating Hanley, and guess what? We are doing another unboxing. Mystery fabric right here. Okay, that's silly. All right, so I just did an unboxing of the Fat Quarter Shop. This is different packaging, though. They actually have Fat Quarter Shop packaging. How about that? Oh, there's a cat over there. Anyway, yeah, because I actually placed 2 orders in the same day, like one in the morning and then I came back and one in the evening. And I think I know what's in here, but it's still kind of a mystery. So we'll see. Let's take a look with me, shall we? Let's get into this. But yeah, so Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop right there. All right, let's take a look. So this one's an easier package opening. I don't have to grab my paper scissors. Let's take a look. Oh, I think I remember what's in here. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be very eclectic. Oh, I got a layer cake. Whoa, what did we get? And yeah, not quite as much as the last time. This was the other this was the other order that I placed. This one not quite, almost as expensive. Oh my gosh. It's almost as expensive. I just got a couple things, but yeah. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. So, oh, horse batik. Horse batik. Horses are my other favorite animal. So, I got this layer cake Fruit Loop by Moda Fabric. And yeah, check that out. I have a specific project in mind that I'm going to make with this, and we're going to do a video on this. And yeah, this is going to be absolutely perfect. So I should do another video on what's going on. But with this, the reason I ordered this specific fabric is for July's block of the month. Because June is quickly ending, or it may have ended already by the time this video is posted. That ends our So a Year Full of Stars 2. So a Year Full of Stars 2 in 2025. So we did 2 stars blocks a month, and that makes 12 blocks. So we don't go through the whole year. It ends in June, as soon as I get this last video out. And then, so for July, my idea was to get other projects made and done, like maybe start on Christmas in July, maybe start on some Christmas gifts, Christmas ornaments, Christmas decoration, like tablecloth or tree, what are those tree ring things called? Like maybe make ornaments for the tree, or for gift giving, or if like you have a what are those white elephant things or something, yeah, Secret Santas or whatever that you only spend $10 a gift on or something like that. So anyway, I digress. That's July, like Christmas in July was like gonna think about that. But also I wanted to make a picnic blanket. So with this, I mean, look, it's like apples and pears and fruit and apple blossoms and the whole, like, the thing, these pinked edges, they're getting fuzzy everywhere. But yeah, like the whole, and not do anything like patriotic for the USA in July. I have a bunch of videos on those if you want to see like any kind of USA flag things, or patriotic whatever. I have a bunch of videos on those. Go look in the stuff in the video archives. But yeah, so I thought picnic table, what are those called? Picnic table, tablecloth. Yeah, duh. Or a picnic blanket, or something along those lines. Just so, and just like summery stuff. So I thought this was a good choice for that. So I bought, this is my first purchased layer cake. I've purchased lots of fat quarters. Yeah, this is my very first purchased Moda layer cake. Like the layer cakes I've I've made from, you know, fat quarters or yardage. But anyway, there's that. Now, this is the only thing that's left. So I believe this is just... Did I only order 3 things? So yeah, this is just batik. The horse batik and a coordinating background color. I guess that's all I got. Yeah, that's all. Nothing like super major like the other one. Yeah, this is just... But I love... And I got a lot of this fabric. What did I get? 2 yards of it? I got 2 yards. Yeah, I got 2 yards. No, I take that back. Ecru. This must be the ecru. I got 2 yards of this. I got 3 yards of this. Maybe I wanted this to be my backing for my horse quilts. So I'm going to make a black and white quilt eventually. I'm going to make a cat quilt eventually. Not a quilt for cats, a quilt for me. That's cat themed. And a horse themed quilt. Yeah. So I got 3 yards of that. I love this. And ever since I started working with batiks, which was this year, 2025, for my So A Year Full of Stars, I love batik fabric. I don't, you know, I can't even... So when I started quilting, I just wanted all cotton, like regular cotton quilting fabric, and I stayed away from batiks because I thought that would be difficult. I did have one batik fabric that I used in my shamrock quilt. That was green, and it had a different texture than the rest of the fabric, and I thought, I don't think I want to work with batiks all the time because of the different texture of it. And now that I'm working with all those batiks and the So A Year Full of Stars, because I bought it for the Year of the Dragon, which was 2024, but I didn't use those batiks in the Year of the Dragon. So I was like, I have all these batiks, I'm going to use it, right? And so I started working with them this year, 2025, for So A Year Full of Stars 2, and I love the fabric. Tell me what you think about your work with batiks. Like, do you like batiks? Do you not like batiks? And then this is just ecru. It's called ecru, but it's also batik, and I got 2 yards of this just for, you know, sashing or binding or backing, just to like sort of match this. But I have a lot of other horse fabric too. So I don't know. There you go. But that was it. This is the whole thing, which almost costs as much as the other mystery block or unboxing that I got from Fat Quarter Shop. So this was, yeah. All right, you guys. I will see you on the next episode, which I don't know what it's going to be. Maybe it's going to be this, which is Star-Crossed. I still owe you this video. I keep saying that in every video I do. I keep saying, I owe you this video. I do. And then this will be the last of the So A Year Full of Stars. And then I did another order, yeah. So my astrology said, Kim, you're going to be very, you're going to watch what you spend your money on this month. Yeah, I watched exactly what I spent my money on this month. I spent it on fabric. All right, you guys. I did do another order, and that's going to be coming in the mail soon. So we're going to do another mystery unboxing, and that'll be 3. This is 2. Wait, this is 2. This is something else. So we'll do a video on that too. All right, you guys. I'm just kind of rambling at this point. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next video.